Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to report a conversation in X. Reporting a conversation can help address any inappropriate or concerning content and ensure a safer online environment. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of reporting a conversation in X. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the X app on your device. Once the app is open, you'll be taken to the main screen. Step 2. Locate the envelope icon, typically positioned in the bottom drawer. Tap on it to access your messages. Step 3. Tap on the plus icon to start a new conversation and select the account you want to send the message to. Step 4. Inside the conversation, tap on the eye icon positioned at the top right corner. This will open additional options. Step 5. Look for the option labeled Report Conversation and tap on it. Reporting the conversation will help bring attention to any inappropriate or concerning content. Step 6. Select the appropriate reason for the report. X may provide you with a list of predefined categories to choose from. This step ensures that the report is properly categorized and addressed by the X team. By following these steps, you can easily report a conversation in X and contribute to a safer and more positive online experience. Thank you for watching, and may your interactions in X be enjoyable and free from any inappropriate content.